guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can limit your screen time on TikTok. You are going to go to your profile page, so select the profile button on the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Digital Wellbeing under Content and Activity. Select it and then select Daily Screen Time. Then you are just going to press Set a Time Limit. So for instance, you want to set the time limit to 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. Press the back button and press turn on. Set a passcode to use once you've reached your time limit. And then press the arrow. Confirm passcode, press the arrow. And that's it. Once you have reached the time limit, you'll need to enter a passcode to keep using TikTok. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!